Honey, can I just take elephant a sec? All right. Rose, honey, you know we love you, right?
Yeah?
And sometimes that means that, we have to do stuff that isn't always very fun.
What we're trying to say, darling, is that, well, Mum and Dad, we've decided to go our separate ways.
Okay. Can I go and play in my room?
Yeah, of course, sweetie.
Dr. Hakim, you have to help me now. They have to stay together. Look, it says here, love is work, see? You have to work on it. You can't just give up. Mom, Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
What is it? Oh, help! Hello! Help!
Cody, I'm trying to sleep. Shut up.
May? May, is that you?
Cody! Why do you look like a blob of clay?
Why do you look like a wooden doll? Look. Oh no. Look at that.
What have you done?
What? Why do you always blame me? Huh?
Yes. Why do you always blame him?
Thank you. Oh!
What is that?
I'm Dr. Hakim, worldwide bestseller and an expert on love. Your daughter purchased me. She was lucky. I was the last copy because I was selling the best. I've helped millions of couples, and now I will help you two to get together again.
This is definitely a nightmare. I need to wake up.
No! No! Oh, May! May! Oh, you're back!
Oh my God! You can't wake up here.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr. Book. So, how do you wake up?
Cody, May, you're here to fix your relationship.
We just fixed it.
Yeah. We're, divorcing. It's all good.
No! I will help you fix your relationship. Chapter 1. Fix your relationship. Plus, I've promised your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain.
Oh,
You are like
look,
a river.
May, it's Rose.
Flowers growing in the grass.
Come on, let's get to her. She must know what's going on.
Little butterflies floating in the mountains like lovebirds. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Hello?
How do we get up to her?
Oh, the stairs over there.
But we can't reach them. We're tiny.
Well, let's find a way. Cody, come help me pull this down.
Oh, whoa, May. May, they're alive.
What is going on here?
I have no clue. But whatever's going on, we can't lower that staircase without those fuses.
But those fuses? They just ran away. I mean, did you see them on their little fuse legs?
Oh, worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
May? May, my body feels weird.
Because you're made of clay? Keep your eyes on the fuses.
May, don't you feel weird? I mean, you're made of wood?
A bit stiff,
Same here.
but it's getting better the more I move.
I hope so.
Oh, Cody, will you please focus?
All right, all right. Let's get those fuses.
I don't like the sound of that.
Cody, watch your head!
I am. Ouch. Back.
May, let's do this together.
Okay, okay.
Maybe that container can help. Hey, May, I need you over here.
Whoa! Help!
Whoa! Wow. Hey, May, did you see my flip? Let's do it again.
We're not here to do flips.
Oh no, you're right. This is serious. We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in.
What is that?
Just ignore the glowing eye. None of this makes sense anyway. Oh, perfect!
Let's go. What just happened?
Oh, those damn fuses! Oh!
May, there she is. Rose!
Rose, darling!
Hello! God, not you again.
Oh, move out of the way, you stupid book!
Yeah, get out of the way. I need to go and talk to my daughter. Just
Your daughter? Oh, you talk like you own her. Ask yourself, can you really own the people you love?
You just let us through? Come on!
I will. But first, there's someone I want you to meet. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Ta-da!
Oh! What the hell was that?
Why do I recognize your voice?
Me? Oh, what? No. We've never met. Sorry.
Looks a bit like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, yeah.
Because it is your vacuum cleaner! Yo, vacuum! ¿Qué pasa? You know who this guy is? Let me tell you, this is Cody. You know, the guy who suck up all kinds of crap in your stomach.
Oh, no, that's,
That's you! You ruined my bowels with all that crap!
crap! What? I was just sucking up dust! That was it! Just... Oh, that's
Get there!
disgusting! Oh, look, there it is!
You call that dust?
Well, I mean, you know, some of it, it's...
So that's why it broke down. It was your fault.
Oh,
And you promised him you'd fix me!
thank you.
Instead, you put me away for life in here!
Yep.
You wanna get back to Rose?
Yes.
You wanna talk to your daughter?
Yes.
Then you need to climb the vacuum together.
Oh, come on!
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha! You know, collaboration is the key to a successful relationship. Huh? Collaboration. You understand? Now, I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
Bye-bye now, crazy book.
This would never have happened if you hadn't broken it.
Oh, yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Yeah, I know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay. Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner.
I wonder where that annoying book even came from.
He said Rose bought him.
He doesn't sound like a book she would buy.
More like a pretentious self-help book.
You know,
Self-help books are very important to some people.
okay?
Forget about the book. Let's get to Rose.
Up! Hey, jump inside the hose.
Oh, why don't you drop me? All right, the current has reversed. What's that?
That was kind of fun, actually. After you.
Not bad. Don't let go.
That's too fun.
In you go.
Just keep holding that.
Ah, good stress.
That was totally worth some.
Yeah, it was.
All right, start spinning.
We made it over.
Yeah, let's keep moving. We're getting closer to the top.
this a fire hazard?
That was a little too much.
I feel sick. Hey! Get down here, vacuum!
Ah, I think we can use some of this dust and other stuff. Oh, I'm gonna pull my back.
You destroyed my digestion! And you put me away to rot in here! Now you will both die!
No, wait! I can still fix you. I can make you work again.
No more lies!
No, she's right. She's an engineer. A really good one. You are. You're very.
Ha! Hey, vacuum! Are you really gonna believe that, huh? Because I would not.
Don't listen to him. Once I get my real body back, I can fix you.
Is that so? Then why did you buy the expensive Turbo X2000, huh?
Hey!
What? You've replaced me with the Turbo X2000! A pretentious French vacuum who can't even suck properly! I'll show you who's the best sucker!
Oh, okay, I'm out of here. See you later. Good luck.
I don't see your fire blanket.
This vacuum is insane!
Don't stop! That burns!
Keep it going!
That's a scary small. I don't want this junk in there.
How many hits does he have?
I've broken your little friend. Ouch! You're back again? Oh, I wasn't made for this.
How do you like that? Bag.
I may be old, but I still have some tricks.
That doesn't sound good!
Suck on this. No one replaces you. Oh, Lord, Andre. You're drowned in your garbage. What you should say, Brooklyn.
Hey, he stopped!
Time to finish
Pushing
this.
us the wrong way.
Oh, man! Do you think this is too much?
Kind of, but he tried to kill us.
Sorry, vacuum! Damn vacuum! Come on, we have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah,
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her. Where are we?
You should know. You use this place.
I haven't been in here for ages. Plus, everything looks different.
Yeah. It's like some twisted version of reality.